about 1/3 of our time on the farm is spent harvesting. So that's a lot of time, and unfortunately, rarely do you find a grower that is thinking and trying to resolve harvesting problems. My name is J.M. Fortier, and I've been farming organically for 20 years now. This is my 20th season. And along the way, I've learned a lot of different skill set. When I started the new farm, FQT Farm, I had to really step up my game. And we needed to come up with efficiency and procedures and tricks to really speed up the harvest to make sure that everybody is delivering and have really good sales at farmers market. This workshop is going to be talking about why harvesting efficiency is so important in profitable market gardening. I'm going to be giving you tips and strategies and principles, showing you 3 crops that we grow on the farm, giving you the exact methodology that we follow to make those harvests really efficient. And the goal is to pass down the strategies, the techniques, the knowledge, the insights of what I've learned over my years at farming, to pass it down to you so that you can become an efficient, successful market gardener. I hope this helps. That's the goal of this workshop, and I hope you're well. Farm on.